Sara from AWE, and behind me is a 3rd gen Tundra with the AWE 0FG system in place and one of the 3 tip configurations installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get into some of the finer details, stick with me and I'll show you what they're all about. Beginning at the inlet, the AWE system picks up after the emissions equipment with a factory-style flange and reuses the factory hardware and gasket. It begins with 2.5-inch front pipes on either side, and these are equal length, which is one of the ways that we achieve that deep rumble with this system. Moving on to the Y pipe section, the front pipes lead into this 3-inch Y, and this particular section has a ton of engineering hours behind it to ensure plenty of clearance on all the different configurations. As you can see, it fits with both the regular and hybrid transfer case. There's plenty of clearance here. There's also clearance on the fuel tank on the passenger side, and it fits with both the drive shaft safety loops on the 6.5 and 5.5 foot bed configurations. Up next is the resonated section. This piece has 2 different style resonators in it, the first being our 180 technology resonator. It has a straight through design so you don't lose out on performance, and there is no packing material, so there's nothing to minimize sound. Its sole purpose is to kill drone frequencies. 180 technology is AWE's patented solution that eliminates drone, that annoying low frequency noise typically experienced at highway speeds. It pinpoints and selects drone-prone frequencies without interrupting flow while delivering the power of a straight piped exhaust. Now, the second resonator is different from the first in that it does have packing material. Its sole purpose is to minimize rasp and keep those tones nice and deep. The system continues up and over the axle with more of that T304L stainless with a wall thickness of 0.065 inches. And as you can see, there's plenty of clearance on the axle as well as the spare tire. And that brings us to the tip section. Now, there's 2 tip outlet configurations and 2 tip color choices. Our first outlet is the BashGuard. This is the high clearance option designed to keep the outlet up and out of the way of any obstacles while you're on the trail. There's also a reinforced rock ring to keep that outlet protected from any damage. If you're looking for a more traditional tip outlet, we have a dual outlet with 2 double-walled and slash-cut 4.5-inch tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. Now, regardless of which tip option you choose, all of them work with the factory bed step. So now that we've seen the system, here's how it sounds. We hope you like what you just heard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.